We must feed the old leather, restore its supple nourishment.
Everything is in its proper place now, organized, calm. The restoration is complete. We part the thick jungle vines to reveal the entrance. The world. Listen. The rain has been washing these temple stones for 1,000 years. Let it. We gently clear the soft moss from the sacred carvings.
The dust of ages, each particle a forgotten moment. We gently brush them away, focusing only on now.
Look what the jungle was hiding. A small treasure. We trace the ancient carvings, the story of this temple.
A cleansing waterfall to wash the temple clean, making it gleam in the dappled jungle light.
The temple is clean. Now we just listen. Listen to the life all